Hello, I'm Terrel Platt with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by VitaFirm. We've seen seasonal softness in the box beef cutout recently, but the market appears to be on pace to establish its footing. As we move into late July and early August, the cutout is expected to gain modest support, with a seasonal rally likely building into Labor Day. The composite cutout has declined nearly $30 per hundredweight off their summer highs, but remains historically elevated. With production staying tight due to harvest disruptions and negative packing margins, packers will likely be able to hold values firm in the weeks ahead. Retail buying ahead of Labor Day should offer enough demand to support a modest rally into late August, from current levels near $365 per hundredweight towards $370 to $380 per hundredweight. However, after the holiday, the cutout is expected to turn lower into late September or early October as demand seasonally fades again before year-end holidays. Looking at the leverage dynamic and what this means to fed cattle prices, it's clear cattle feeders are still in a strong position. Packer margins have declined significantly below break-even, while available fed supplies remain limited, which is helping support cash-fed cattle prices. That said, leverage probably doesn't have much more room to push higher from current levels. With show lists expected to grow slightly and an increase in the placed against supply in August and September, leverage is expected to decline towards 58 or 60% over the next few weeks. A modestly higher cutout, combined with slightly reduced leverage, likely means fed cattle prices hold mostly steady to perhaps marginally softer over the next 30 to 60 days. Turning to this week's markets, trade has been light in the north at 380 dressed, which is steady with last week. No live trade has been reported at the time of recording. Trade in the south has been light at 230 to 231 live, which is steady to $1 higher than last week. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.